Hello and welcome back to HUAWEI Info. In this video, I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin! First, you need to expand your control center. Now, press and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon. Enable Wi-Fi. Now we want to find network of your choosing. For me, it's this one. Once you have selected your network, you want to input the password to it. I just did. Now you simply hit connect, and if password is correct, then you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.